Hi all. Ooh, that's a little bit hot. I was a bit zealous. I'll have to sip that just now. Good morning. Cash is trash. In this inflationary environment that we're in, your money in the bank is doing you no good at all. Why would you leave your money in the bank if it's actually losing money for you? What you can do is think differently. Look at it that it works for you, that you either put it into an increasing in value asset or you put it into an income producing asset. That way your money works for you. What you can buy with your money today versus what you could buy with your money a couple of years ago is two different things. The purchasing power of your money will reduce over time with inflation, and you will only be able to buy less and less and less with the same money. 30 years ago, when I first started selling real estate, the first property I sold for 55,000 Rand. That same property today is worth between 3.5 and 4 million Rand. That is evidence of exactly how your money will devalue and your purchasing power will reduce. In the early 80s, I bought my first car. I paid less than 500 Rand for a 1956 Army Green 1956 Humber Hall. This thing was huge. It was like an army tank. But I managed to get it for less than 500 Rand, and that's what I could afford. The same money, 500 Rand, cannot buy me the same thing anymore. I would need 200 times more. That is a huge difference. So consider, how are you going to get your money to work for you? I believe real estate is the answer. Happy investing.